Now at 6:30, the pandemic's impact is reaching beyond the front line of healthcare. Yesterday, we told you about an animal shelter in Woodburn with an influx of rescued pigs.
The woman who runs the shelter happens to be a family doctor and shared the realities of what these physicians are facing right now. Fox 12's Sarah Hurwitz has the story.
Juma Power runs Juma's Farm in Woodburn. We shared her story on Thursday as she says she is overwhelmed with potbelly pig donations because she says people are losing their homes in the pandemic and can no longer take care of them. The pandemic's having an impact on many aspects of life, including the care that people need. Power says she's a family doctor, and it is tough to be one right now.
At this point, working as a family practitioner is as close to hell as I can imagine.
Power says the amount of work needed to provide for her patients increased astronomically.
A lot of my colleagues talk about how they're thinking about they'd rather wash dishes than do the work. We have an enormous number of primary care providers who are leaving entirely. The stress level is enormous emotionally, trying to help people with deaths in the family from COVID. A lot of people who had coping strategies, they're no longer available to them.
And the mental health industry is overwhelmed. So she says it's trickling down to family doctors.
We're having a huge influx in numbers of people with serious mental health issues. There are no mental health providers out there open and available. So your primary care physician is taking care of your mental health. So we are doing a lot of very intensive counseling, and that is on top of taking care of people with their heart disease, their diabetes, their cancers.
She says this workload is leading to burnout in the medical industry. Sarah Hurwitz, Fox 12 Oregon.